Hello student, today we are going to see CBSE sample paper term 2 exam physics question paper solution. We are going to discuss the question number. It is from 3 more question number 5 we are going to discuss. Okay. Actually the question is asked about they are converting from AC to the DC. Okay. So they asked you to draw with the full description. Okay, they actually AC to DC. If you want to convert, that's going to be happen with rectifier. Okay, it is the question from semiconductor. Okay, so rectifier, no. So we have to use a rectifier. Okay, here rectifier we are using to convert from AC to the DC. Okay, AC to the DC, AC current to the DC current, alternate current to the direct current. Alternate current means the graph will be up and down will be there. Direct current, the graph will be straight. Okay. So actually we are going to use with the full wave rectifier to convert with this. Okay, full wave rectifier means we need to use two diodes. Okay, I will draw the circuit. Okay, so now this side I connected with the AC source. Okay, AC I applied. Okay, here I connected with the transformer. There are two diode is there. Diode will be only works when the forward. Reverse, it's need high current to conduct. Okay, so we have diode 1 and diode 2. Two diodes, diode 1 and diode 2. Okay, there are two diodes I connected. Output I am taken with from parallel to this. Okay, like this I am taken as a output. So we can take it like this. Okay, from center you can take it. This is called load resistance, which is going to be called as a output resistance or output volt. Okay, so we applied the AC input current, okay. So how the output response will be there? Okay, when the current is going upwards, so this will be positive, this will be negative. Okay, so when it is, this will be positive, this will be negative, no. So this will become P, this will become N. P is connected with the positive, N is connected with the negative, which is going to called as a forward bias. Okay, forward bias. So forward bias, diode 1 will works, so which is going to called as a D1. Okay, again the next cycle, when it's coming negative cycle, this will become positive, this will become negative. Okay, this is become negative, this become positive. Okay, P N. Okay, this become positive, this become negative, this will become forward bias. Reverse bias means opposite polarity. Forward bias in same polarity. Positive is connected positive, negative is connected negative. Okay, now D2 will works. Okay, D2 will works. Again the graph is going upwards. Okay, like one cycle completed, then next cycle, no, the D1 will works. So then next cycle D2 will work. Okay, half of cycle the diode, the working thing will get changed. Okay, now the full wave, okay, the full wave AC circuit is converted as a DC. Okay, so the full wave, no, it's going to convert here voltage versus time. Okay, the same graph, no, D1 D2 D1 D2, it is called full wave rectifier. Okay, so as I said, which is help us to convert from AC to DC. It is AC input. Okay, we have to get as a DC. If you want to get DC, you should filter the lower range of this graph. Okay, if you are using the filter, you will get only higher range, which is going to take it as a DC current. The polarity is not going to change. Okay, this is a rectifier we are going to use to convert from AC current to the DC current. It's a very important question in CBSE. A full wave and half wave rectifier. In sample paper, they asked you to draw with the full wave rectifier. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.